Number 5. AOC Gaming CQ27G3S Frameless Curved Gaming Monitor. Gamers may enjoy outstanding gaming images from any angle with this 27-inch class, 27, viewable, G3 series gaming monitors Quad HD 2K 2560 by 1440 resolution VA screen. For an immersive gaming experience, the 1000R's curved form wraps around you and places you in the middle of the action. With a 165 Hz refresh rate and a lightning-quick 1 millisecond response time, you can attack moving targets with pinpoint accuracy and edge out the competition by milliseconds. The most fluid, tear-free gaming experience at its peak performance for ultra-smooth competitive games is made possible by Adaptive Sync and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility. AOC low input lag gives the gamer an advantage over the competition by providing a lag-free display for better resolution, improving visual quality, and maximizing in-game responsiveness. With up to 120 Hz frame rate, actual performance varies on consoles, and extremely low latency, AOC gaming monitors are made to get the most out of your consoles and give you an advantage over your rivals. Enjoy 99% sRGB and 86% NTSC color gamut coverage, 80 million to 1 smart contrast, which uses deeper blacks and brighter colors to produce images that are vivid and lifelike. Frameless, three-sided design with incredibly little bezels for the best seamless multi-monitor configuration. For simplicity, connectivity choices include one DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0, and one audio out, 3.5 mm. The most ideal viewing angle and excellent comfortability are provided by an ergonomic stand, height adjust, swivel, and tilt, with quick release feature during protracted campaigns and gaming sessions. Number 4. Scepter Curved 24-inch Gaming Monitor. Viewable 24-inch diameter curved screen connectors for PC audio, VGA, and HDMI compatible with Windows 10. The C248W1920RN's modern, sleek metal frame and thin 1800R screen curvature produce a wide range of images that seem to surround you. The metal pattern brush finish is smooth to the touch and has a design that prioritizes comfort and protection. On a 24-inch screen, a 1080p resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels, offers breathtaking color and image detail. Enjoy connecting all television and gaming devices via HDMI or VGA. 3000 to 1 contrast ratio. 1800R curved display. The visuals appear to wrap around you for an in-depth, immersive experience on the curved display, which offers a cutting-edge 1800R screen curvature. Ports for HDMI, VGA, and PC audio. High 75 Hz refresh rate. Luminosity, candela per meter 2, 250 candelas per square meter. Ready for VESA wall mount, 30,000 plus hours of lamp life. The most recent PC operating system, Windows 10, is fully compatible with Windows 10 Scepter monitors. Luminosity, 220 candelas, M2 pixel pitch. 75 Hz, 0.27156 mm, H, by 0.27156 mm, V. Number 3. Asus TUF Gaming 32 inches 1080p curved monitor. VG328H1B, Full HD. The TUF Gaming VG328H1B is a 32 inches curved gaming monitor with a 165 Hz refresh rate that is intended for fast-paced games. Extreme Low Motion Blur, ELMB, which removes motion blur for a more fluid gaming experience, and FreeSync Premium technology, which gets rid of screen tearing and choppy frame rates, are both features of the VG328H1B. For professional gamers and immersive gameplay, a 32-inch Full HD, 1920x1080, 1500R curved gaming monitor with super-fast 165 Hz refresh rate is recommended. 16.7 display colors. Dimensions, 16:9. With Adaptive Sync and Asus Extreme Low Motion Blur, ELMB, technology, ghosting and tearing are completely eliminated for sharp gaming images at high frame rates. FreeSync Premium technology to get rid of choppy frame rates and screen tearing. By brightening images without overexposing bright parts, Shadow Boost improves image details in dark areas. Supports both adaptive sync and FreeSync with NVIDIA GeForce and AMD Radeon graphics cards. Compatible with graphics cards from the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 10 series, GTX 16 series, RTX 20 series, and later. Number 2. Samsung 34-inch Odyssey G5 ultra-wide gaming monitor with 1000R curved screen. The all-encompassing 1000R display fills your peripheral vision and places you squarely in the character's shoes for optimal curve. True immersion. Play at a level of gaming that is more intense than any other. The all-encompassing 1000R display fills your peripheral vision and places you squarely in the character's shoes for optimal curve. True immersion. Play at a level of gaming that is more heart-pounding than any other level ever. Optimal curve. True immersion. You are surrounded by vivid scenes. The all-encompassing 1000R display spans every portion of your peripheral vision and immerses you in the character's shoes. Experience a level of gameplay unlike any other. Ultra WQHD. Graphics that push the boundaries. Ultra WQHD provides a panoramic perspective of the gaming environment with true lifelike quality. The sheer size provides total immersion, removing the annoying middle bezel and tangled connections of a twin monitor configuration. The refresh rate is 165 Hz. Prepare to defeat foes, lag, and blur. The ultra-fast 165 Hz refresh rate can handle even the most thrilling situations and lightning-fast pictures. Response time of 1 millisecond. With a 1 millisecond response time, every move counts. Jump on adversaries as soon as you spot them and utilize precise mouse movements to remain ahead. Your performance on-screen is as quick as your own reflexes. AMD FreeSync Plus. The gameplay is flawlessly seamless. The adaptive sync technique in AMD FreeSync Premium lowers screen tearing, stuttering, and input latency. Low frame rate adjustment ensures that each scene flows smoothly. HDR that is truly realistic. HDR10 graphics are breathtaking. A rainbow of colors brings game scenes to life more vividly than ever before. With deep dark blacks, dazzling whites, and exceptional detail, uncover the secrets hidden in the shadows. Number 1. Dell Curved Gaming 34-inch Curved Monitor. The Dell 34-inch Curved Gaming Monitor, S3422DWG features an 1800R curved screen with a 21:9 aspect ratio and 3-sided ultra-thin bezels that surround you with little distractions. At its finest, immersion. Examine every detail. 34 inches 1800R curved screen with 21:9 aspect ratio and ultra-thin 3-sided bezels that engulf you with little distractions. A new perspective. WQHD, 3440 by 1440. Resolution offers 34% more screen pixels than QHD, providing sharp, crystal-clear details and a panoramic picture. The entire spectrum. VA panel technology has a 3000:1 contrast ratio and a 90% DCI-P3 color coverage with 16.7 million colors. You'll appreciate deeper blacks, brighter whites, and brilliant colors across a broad viewing angle. Uncompromised clarity. The Dell 34 gaming monitor is VESA Display HDR 400 certified, allowing you to view more information and color than an SDR display and providing amazing clarity and strong contrast for astonishingly lifelike pictures. A smoother experience. A 144 Hz refresh rate gives for exceptional clarity and fast-moving graphics, allowing for faster reaction times. With faster reaction speeds, you can stay ahead of the competition. A 1 millisecond MPRT 2 milliseconds, gray to gray, response time ensures smooth performance with no motion blur.